Beautiful 4-bedroom 2-bathroom home located in the amazing Rolling Meadows neighborhood. You walk into the open concept, recently updated living room, kitchen and eat-in dining area. Upstairs you'll find 3 bedrooms, all with brand new carpet installed in 2021, a beautifully updated full bathroom, done in 2019, and a great closet for storage. Downstairs you'll find a completely renovated family room with new carpet, a renovated 3/4 bathroom laundry room combination, and bedroom number 4, renovated in 2016, which is currently being used as an office space. Bedroom number 4 has a new sliding glass door which leads to a concrete patio perfect for a fire pit. Outside, you'll enjoy your above-ground pool built into the deck, with a beautiful wooded view just outside your back door. All appliances included in purchase price.